Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming both parent and child accounts are ready. Sign into account. Microsoft. Com/family on your PC or the Family Safety app. Enter credentials and accept device prompts. Once signed in, open Settings and go to Accounts to verify each device lists the correct user. Make sure you enable two-step verification for the parent account to prevent unauthorized changes. After that, sync devices and update the Family Safety app so you can see current activity and begin immediate configuration. Next, you configure the detailed rules that enforce behavior. Open the child profile, then set screen time schedules per device. Choose daily allowances and weekday versus weekend variations. Once done, apply content filters and age-appropriate limits, block specific sites, and add exceptions where needed. Make sure to assign app limits for individual applications and games using timers, and enable activity reporting so you can review usage patterns. These steps lock down settings across platforms and make enforcement consistent and measurable. Finally, you complete the process by forcing a sync and verifying settings on each device. Sign out and back into the Family Safety app, restart devices, and confirm the child appears in your Microsoft Family group. If a device won't accept rules, clear the app cache, confirm system time zones match, and re-add the account. If problems persist, remove and reinstall the Family Safety app on the affected device. That single action often resolves lingering permission or sync failures and restores full functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.